Hello guys, I'm here with Ola and Master Thrifter Bob. So we're gonna go inside now guys and what's happening inside, okay? So as you can see guys,
our kingdom.
the kingdom of thrift.
Wow.
Ola is the... So ganito siya guys inside, yan. Diyan na itatapon pagkatapos na masort doon. So dito ang mga bago. That's the new one, right?
Garbage, new garbage.
New garbage.
Just him.
Guys, that's it. So ito siya. So ito yung mga gagawin ng bale at isisend sa mga third world countries. Yan yun. So ito ang mga bago is from donations. Yan yung mga ginagawa dyan guys. Okay? So just a quick check lang po yan. Thank you. Good day mga kaukay! Dito naman tayo ulit sa Goodwill Impact Center, Calgary, Canada, Alberta, Canada. And dito naman, maghanap naman tayo ng mga malulupit na items, vintage items, Y2K items na pwede ibenta sa Pinas. And also guys, check our page, Thrift from Canada and Nomad Outdoor Gear. So, see you inside guys and thank you! Bye! Good day mga kaukay, and this is our first load for today guys dito sa aking cart. So as of today we have our VCA, we have a, tingnan natin to, the Beatles band shirt, we have a, okay guys, umaapaw na biyaya. This is our second load sa ating bin. So our first is North Face Fleece, binigay ni E. Maraming salamat Mr. Ibo. Second is Amek Waterproof. We have a, binigay naman ng Ukrainian na kaibigan natin, Camelback. Available soon to sa Pilipinas and we always give 20% guys. So kung marami yung bibili nyo, we have a sa mga caps, New Orleans Pelican 2013 NBA Cap Drop. So we have also first aid kit for emergency. We have a Under Armour, another North Face na binibigay lang sa akin. We have a Kangoo guys na waterproof yan. So and we have a Adidas hoodie. We have a Slayer shirt. We have a sleeping bag.
Nice.
For class. We have a Guess. We have a binoculars guys. Ang ganda. Made in Japan. We have a electronics. Nakakuha tayo. So benta rin to sa Pilipinas. For the shoes, we have a New Balance guys. Okay? So hopefully marami pang darating. So isang cart to guys, isang cart to. So load na to. Ito yung pang second load natin. And let's wait for the third load. So guys, ito ang nangyari dito once again is per pound po ito lahat. So magpili ka lang kung ano yung gusto mo. Kuha ka dyan ng gusto mo, kikiluhin na yan sa counter. So dito magtatayo sa yellow lane lahat and darating dito yung bin. So yung tinatawag namin na bin is this. This bin is manggagaling, oh nice pero pang bata. So manggagaling dyan sa loob. Okay guys, check tayo dito ng mga backpack. So kanina pa to dumating but we'll double check, baka may mga magaganda. So meron silang Under Armour Roots. So minimex yan nila parati yung backpack and caps. And dito tingin tayo sa mga kanina pa dumating. Magaganda yung mga leather. Yan, unan.
Wow.
Minimix yan nila guys. So okay, let's go back. Balik tayo sa opisina natin. So as of now, ito yung pang third load na natin. Ilalagay dito sa bin. And once again, ito ang Goodwill Impact Center, Calgary, Canada. So please like and share yung page namin, Thrift from Canada guys. So ito ang first na ilalagay natin is a backpack. Yung brand is Ceratus. Okay. So I have 2 backpack ng Ceratus. Okay? Yung isa binigay sa akin. Ito, another Colombia. We have a Polo by Ralph Lauren. We have a puffer jacket, Helly Hansen. Ganda nito. We have a Diamond Supply. We have a Marmot. Ang ganda ng jacket na yan, ha. We have a 2001 AAA. It's a puta, nalimutan ko yung pangalan nito, ah. So meron tayong ano rin, Lululemon. We have a Camelback. Dalawa na yung Camelback natin if you count it, yung una natin nakuha. So we have a Pink Floyd. We have a Vans shoes. So tingnan natin dito, we have North Face. Binigay sa akin another North Face. Another Vans hoodie. Chocolate Factory. Thrasher, ang lupit. We have Vans and many more, guys. So stay tuned lang kayo at papapakita pa namin mamaya kung ano mga makukuhang malulupit. Okay? So please like yung page namin, and we always offer 20% sa good deals. And if you wanna buy a lot, guys, we offer free shipping rin po. So okay guys, tapos na tayo for shorting. So papakita ko ngayon yung mga nakuha ko. So luckily, maraming nakuha pero wala tayong malulupit na ipapakita. But still, okay pa rin yan. So ito yung mga nakuha ko today, guys, ha. Check nyo. So we have a Jansport backpack. We have a RVCA, North Face and North Face. We have Vans. May mga sleeping bag tayo. Meron tayong Camelback. Merong Hoka. At marami pang iba, guys. So ito ngayon ang nangyayari dito. So pakatandaan lang natin, guys, this is thrifting. Thrifting is a game of luck. Hindi mo alam kung anong yung makukuha mo, hindi mo alam kung ano nasa loob dito. It's like sa Philippines rin, hindi natin rin alam kung ano yung nasa loob ng bale. So dito, hindi mo rin alam. So like today, wala akong may nakuha na yung tinatawag natin na pang malupitan or yung pinapakita ko parati, guys. So ganyan lang. So hopefully balik ako bukas ulit, makakuha tayo. It's another day na naman, guys. So hopefully makakuha ng mga magaganda na pwede rin pambenta sa Pilipinas. But still, guys, hopefully lang, ha, makahanap talaga ng mga paninda na pwede. So ito ngayon, makita nyo, so almost 4 PM na rin, matatapos na yung araw. So mga tao nandito na rin, and that's how it works, guys. So once again, please check our page, like and share. Nomad Outdoor Gear, thrift from Canada. We always offer good deals, guys. Okay, we offer 20% sa mga mararaming bibilhin nyo, and we offer free shipping sa mga 3 items or more na bibilhin nyo. Okay? See you there, guys. Take care, eh?
Wow.
Bye.